Ever wondered what's really happening inside your PC? The CPU is more than just a chip. It's the mastermind orchestrating every action your computer takes. Stick around, and we'll dive deep into the brain of your PC. What is a CPU? The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is often called the brain of your computer. But what does it really do? Simply put, the CPU is responsible for executing instructions from your software, whether you're browsing the web, gaming, or crunching numbers. The anatomy of a CPU, let's break it down. Inside the CPU, you'll find several key components: the control unit, CU, arithmetic logic unit, ALU, and the cache. The control unit directs the operations of the processor, deciding which instructions to execute and in what order. The ALU handles all the mathematical and logical operations, and the cache is like a super-fast memory that stores frequently accessed data. How the CPU executes instructions: every operation your CPU performs follows a cycle: fetch, decode, execute, and store. The control unit fetches an instruction from the RAM, decodes it to understand what needs to be done, the ALU then executes the command, and finally, the result is stored back in memory or used for further calculations. Cores and multi-threading. Modern CPUs come with multiple cores, which allow them to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, a process known as multi-threading. Think of each core as an individual worker, each one capable of handling a different task at the same time. The more cores you have, the more tasks your CPU can juggle at once. CPU performance, clock speed and IPC. When talking about CPU performance, you'll often hear terms like clock speed and IPC, or instructions per clock cycle. Clock speed is like the heartbeat of your CPU, determining how many cycles it can complete per second. But raw speed isn't everything. IPC measures how many instructions the CPU can execute in each cycle, so a higher IPC often means better performance, even at lower clock speeds. Interaction with other components. The CPU doesn't work alone. It constantly communicates with other components like the RAM, GPU, and storage devices. For example, when you open a game, the CPU calculates game logic, the GPU renders the visuals, and the RAM holds temporary data. This coordination is what makes your PC a powerful machine. Why the CPU is crucial for every task. Whether you're editing videos, playing the latest AAA game, or just browsing the web, the CPU is at the heart of it all. Its ability to rapidly process instructions and communicate with other parts of your system makes it essential for every task. Conclusion: next time you power up your PC, remember that it's the CPU making it all happen behind the scenes. Understanding how it works not only gives you a deeper appreciation for your tech but also helps you make better decisions when upgrading or building your own rig. Want to dive deeper into more PC components? Hit subscribe and stay tuned for more tech insights.